What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today, we gonna go over the last day of the week, Friday. It's finally here. Man, this has been a hectic week. We had the election, we had Fed Pow. Now we can have a decent trading day. And next week, go into the trading week without having all those events to worry about. Before we jump right into these charts, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Guys, let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. I think it's only one thing at 10 a.m. You got consumer sentiment. We know how to handle data. We sit back, we wait, and then we pounce after a direction is given to us. Newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. We're going to do it for you guys first. This is Hood. I played Hood today to the downside only because I spotted something that I liked in the charts, and I put it out in the Discord as well. We had this double top right here, and right here I played the downside. So I was up, I think 32 or either 30% in that play right there, and got out of that play, and then it was back on SPY. I broke this down in the Discord. I'll show you later on in the video where I broke it down at. But guys, if you can recognize these pattern setups, the candlesticks are telling a story. Once you recognize what they're trying to tell you, you can make money. You can know where your entry is at, and you can also know where your exit is at. Once you see that top right there, once I see them making that little curve point on that first top, I'm already sitting back and I'm waiting for them to show me that same pattern. And as you see, they showed you that same pattern before they drop back down. And that's exactly what they did. Or you can look for the M, the run up, the middle, the run back up, and boom, coming back down. Once you understand that and be able to spot that, easy money, easy money. You can scalp this all day long. I wish I would have held mine. They're sitting at 29.21. I sold mine, I think it was 29.50, 29.55. I sold mine right around here. If you are a bull, you want to see them get back to 29.40. If they get to 29.40, boom, you got 29.50. They break through that, you got 29.70 on deck and to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right here get taken out, 29.05. They can break through that, boom, you coming down to 28.70. There you go. There you are, a few levels in a ticker that you can make money. And guys, I didn't pay that much money for the Hood contracts. I think I had 25 of them. And I'm not sure how much I paid for them, but it wasn't expensive. It was probably about 200 bucks, and I flipped it. Guys, you can do the same thing. The only reason I did that is because I'm like, man, I'm giving out these newbie and beginner plays. I want to see, can they move the meter with a couple $100, and you can make money in this ticker. There you go. Next ticker is gonna be Palantir. They're forming a double top. You got this top right here, and you got this top right here. Depending on what happens in pre-market, this looks like it's ready to have a little pullback. They're sitting at 55.70 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 55.90 get taken out. They can take out that, boom, they run it back up to 56.30. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here get taken out at 55.40. They can break through that right there, boom, you coming down to this stuff here at 55 even. They break through that. You got this shelf level right here at 54.55. We'll handle in real time once they start busting through those levels right there. But Palantir is one that you can make money on as well, and it's not gonna break the bank. Last but not least, we're gonna throw XOM on here. It really don't break the bank either. It's only sitting at 121.30. I wouldn't imagine that those contracts are ridiculously expensive, but if you are a bull, what you want to see these tops right here get taken out. 121.50. They can break through that. They can start running to the higher stuff. You got this stuff right in here, 21.90. They break through that, then they can start running up past the 122 mark. If you are a bear, you want to see 120.90 get taken out. They can take out 120.90. They coming back down to this chef level right here at 120.70. Break through that. Boom. 120.40. All right, I got an area of interest right here at 120.22. They break through that. Boom, coming down to these bottoms at 119.60. So there you go, newbies and beginners. That's 3 plays for you to pay attention to tomorrow and be able to dominate and execute and make some money on those plays. Next ticker is going to be for the big ballers, shot callers. Y'all come on up to the table. We got Nvidia. They're sitting at 149.10. They're going crazy right now. It's in another world right now, but we can imagine 150.20 would be somewhere where I would want to see them start breaking through before I even consider jumping into calls, because when they in the unknown world right here, they can get smacked hard. They can come back down. You don't know what's going on. I'd feel super comfortable with jumping into calls after 150.20 break and hold or break and retest. A lot of people say, hey, what do you mean when you say break and hold? And if it gets to this level and hold above this level, a break isn't when it break the actual number that I'm calling. If I'm saying 120.40, that doesn't mean once it hits the 140.21, you jump into a call. No, no, no. You want to see it go through that, come back and retest that area. Once they retest that area, you want to see them get some momentum and blast back over that number. That's what I mean when I say break and retest. So maybe I should word it a little different, but there you go. If you are a bear, what you want to see, you want to see 148.60 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got this stuff right in here at 148.30. They break through that right there. You got 148 even, and then boom, you got this stuff at 147.40. They break through that. What I want to see is them get through this level right here, 146.80. They break through that. You coming all the way back down to this stuff up in here, 146.20. Again, don't sleep on Nvidia. Nvidia can keep running. I tell everybody, don't even think about puts if the puts atmosphere isn't out there. And today, puts atmosphere was not out there in a bunch of different tickers. It was some put plays out there, but Nvidia wasn't one of them. SPY wasn't one of them either. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. Tesla was a play that you could have made some money on. I call this play out a double top. You see this area right here? Anytime you start seeing this right here, it's going to be some type of pullback. Plan on it. Even when you get the little double tops in the middle right there, it's going to be a reaction and then they're going to pop back up. But these are the better double tops to play and get in to ride down. If you are trying to buy puts in a bullish atmosphere, make sure it's a good setup. It's a good opportunity. Do not go against the trend unless you see something that's going to be a high probability setup. That's the only reason you should be getting into puts when you're in a bullish trend. And again, that's a top. That's a top. That's okay to jump into those plays right there because those are good scalps. You can make good money following that rocket back down. There you go with Tesla. Tesla sitting at 297.20 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this middle piece get taken out. You want to see 298.10 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you come in at 299 and heavy level right here at 299.70. They break through that. Boom, you're going to see 201. You're going to see 201.30, 201.70 before they start trying to break through 202. If Tesla get rolling tomorrow, forget 201.70. You're going to have 201, 203, 205, 207. You're going to start riding that ladder up. Tesla can really get going. Just have your stop loss on. Prepare for occasional pullback. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these legs right here get taken out. 296.80. You see 296.80 get taken out? Boom. You got 295.30. You see that get taken out? You got 293.60. And we'll handle in real time, because if they start getting back down to this level right here, 289.35, it's going to be a rough day for Tesla. Last but not least, we're going to throw SPY on the board. SPY is sitting at 595.90. We walked this one down today too. We didn't really have to do much. I gave you a break when to get into SPY and ride that thing up. It slow grinded the whole entire day. They're sitting at 295.90. If you a bull, simple. You want to see 596.70 get taken out before they can start busting to the higher stuff. They're trying to get to 600. If you are a bear, what you want to see 595.55 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this stuff in at 595.20. They break through that. They coming back down here. 594.20. They break through that. You got 593.90 before they really start getting crazy. What you ultimately want to see in this one is 593.10 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom. You coming back down to 591.90. Guys, if it was me, I'd sit back and hang tight, wait, and let them make some candles up in here. That way we got something to play off of, because as they popping past here, it's in the land of the unknown. No one knows what's going on up there. We don't know where it's going. We can guesstimate, estimate based on, what it's likely to do, but no one knows. I'd sit back. I wouldn't play no calls until after it gives us some history. Let it get smacked down somewhere around 599 or something like that, and then come back down. That way we got some history to be able to give out some levels and make really good decisions on whether we're going to get into calls or puts. But at the end of the day, it's your portfolio. You do you. I had a play out there. If you go to my plays, Cat calls a break and hold at 418.25. Cat puts a break and hold down at 415.10. Look what this play did. They did not follow the trend of no one else, and I knew they was going to do it. I just didn't want to chase, because when I went to the screen and I seen they were making that drop, I didn't get in where I wanted to get in, and so I wasn't going to chase it. But man, this thing gave us a $10 drop. We started up here and they ran this thing all the way to 418.90, and then boom, look at that. Boom, they chopped, and they kept chopping somewhere around that area. We're sitting at 408.40 right now. I'm going to go ahead and get some TA on this one, and we're going to get out of here. But if you are a bull, you want to see 409.60 get taken out. They take out that. Boom, you got 411 even. They break through that. You got this stuff up in here at 412.75 before they start running it back up. If you are a bear, simple. You want to see these bottoms right here at 407.60 get taken out. They can take out that. Man, you got this area right here at 406.90. Next level right here is going to be 405.10. They lose that, man, they're going to be in trouble. They're going to start dropping back down. And man, I gave you this play about a month ago for the run up. We done with this play right now. This play can pull back, and it can pull back hard. This is something that you may be able to catch a month output on. I'd wait for it to pop back up to about 415, 416 and let this thing fall back down. This play, you can make a whole lot of money, because this one will come back to 400, if not under. They make those swings like that back and forth, but you got to pay attention to what you want to do. Put some date behind that contract. Put time behind that contract, and sit back and make that money. Watch that thing grow. Guys, I took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level-to-level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.